Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to download Sublime Text 3 and Visual Studio Code. So, let's go. Very firstly open your web browser and search for Sublime Text 3 and hit enter. And open the very first link, which is the official link of Sublime Text Editor. And download Sublime Text Editor of your platform, Linux, Windows or Mac. Here I am using Windows, so I am downloading Windows version. And wait for the download to be completed. Till that, open new tab on your web browser and search for Visual Studio Code and hit enter. And open the official link of Visual Studio Code. And select for platform, Linux, Windows or Mac. Here I am using Windows PC, so I have to download Windows version. And your download will get started when the page gets loaded. So, we have downloaded the text editors in this video. In the next video we will install these text editors.